Hello and welcome to Zee Commodity Capsule. Global meltdown in metal extends on Monday as we see both gold and silver prices crashing from their recent life highs which it touched on 29th of January. As far as gold prices are concerned, we witnessed wild swings in a $400 range wherein gold has shed nearly $1,000 from its recent life high which it touched above $5,600 an ounce. Same could be said in the case of silver wherein it shed 7% after rising nearly more than 12% in the early Asian trade on Monday morning. We have seen that both the metals have been pressurized by firm dollar which is hovering close to 97 mark as investors gauged the US President Donald Trump's Fed chair pick in Kevin Warsh's approach to interest rate cuts. As I said, silver prices are now down nearly $50 from its 29 January life high of $121 an ounce. US economic data on Friday showed that the producer prices increased by the most in 5 months in December amid some pass-through from the import tariffs. Apart from this, oil prices have shed nearly 5% on Monday, trading close to 1-week low. It's headed for the steepest single session decline in more than 6 months after US President Donald Trump said Iran was seriously talking with Washington, signaling de-escalation with an OPEC member. We have seen Brent crude prices dropping nearly $66 a barrel, in fact going below the level after having touched the 4-month high in the previous week above $71 and $72 a barrel. Copper prices continued to pull back on Monday for second trading session as investors moved into risk-off mode after Kevin Warsh's nomination as the next Fed chair, while the demand was also subdued in the run-up to China's Lunar New Year break. We have seen copper prices on London Metal Exchange falling to 5-week low, down more than $800 a ton as we speak to below nearly $12,500 a ton. Copper is taking hits after it's set a second record high. It set record high on Thursday, touching a life high above $14,500 a ton. Copper also came under pressure as demand prospects weaken in the run-up to Lunar New Year holiday, which is starting from 15th of Feb in China. Iron ore prices have edged lower on Monday as Chinese inventories rose and steel mills wrapped up the restocking, while feedstock demand and transactions are expected to remain sluggish ahead of the Lunar New Year holiday. We saw iron ore on China's Dalian Commodity Exchange fall below 790 yuan a metric ton, while on Singapore Exchange it fell below $103 a ton. Coal prices, meanwhile, in global markets have climbed above $117 a ton, reaching to its highest level in 1 year as strong demand for power generation continued to underpin the market.